Baya Weaver is a grassland bird. It is found all over Indian subcontinent. Mainly forage on the grass seeds. They weave nest over water. Fully made nest looks like a retort of a laboratory. For making this, they choose branch of a tree which is hanging over water. Entry to the nest is kept facing the water so that all dangers can be avoided. Making nest is the sole responsibility of male. He puts in untiring efforts to finish it. After completion of nest, they invite females to inspect it. For this, they make loud noise. Females inspect more than one nest. If the artwork and safety features are not liked by a female, it is abandoned. One can find huge competition in making this artwork a successful one. For this, they go to the extent of stealing nesting material from the adjacent nest. If noticed, there is a fight also. They make it with grass and leaf threads. They pierce the thread from inside and pull it from the outside and make a knot. They strengthen the nest by vertical and horizontal strings which are pulled and fixed together so that it gives lot of strength to the nest. Watching building of this amazing masterpiece is treat to watch. Happy watching, all the best. Thank you.